For decades, working on cell towers has meant one thing: climbing. High risk, time-consuming, and costly. MP Tower changes that. Built with a proprietary mount-lowering system, MP Tower brings critical equipment down to ground level, eliminating the need to climb for installation, maintenance, and upgrades. What used to take hours at height can now be done faster, safer, and more efficiently from the ground. That means reduced risk for crews, lower operational costs, and less downtime for the network. Designed for modern infrastructure demands, MP Tower simplifies access without sacrificing performance. Because the future of tower work isn't about going higher, it's about working smarter. MP Tower, the better way up.